Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. If you are working with the Siemens PCS 7 and you want to know how to configure analog tag logging or analog tag historization for the process data, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through everything you needed to know about the configuration of the analog tag logging in the Siemens PCS 7 step by step. So here we understand this one of the practical example. Suppose we have here one of the level transmitter, and in the uh, default mode the tag logging is disabled for analog tags. Here if I will change any of the value, suppose I will change any of the value. So here you can see in the online mode the value is changed, but if I will toggle it from the online to archive mode, the value is not stored in the historian server. So let's see how we can configure the our analog tag historization in the Siemens PCS 7. So if we will historize I will enable the historization or archiving function or the tag logging in the Siemens PCS 7. In that time, it will be available for the future analysis. If I will close it and if I will show here in the tag logging, so here you can find only one of the tag that in our previous tutorial video we learned how we can configure the digital signal tag historization. So if you did not saw that previous video, I will give in the description. You can see how we can configure the digital signal tag historization. In this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure the analog tag historization or the tag logging. So we'll use the same project that we created in our previous tutorial. Click here over the level chart and then open the level chart. So the analog monitor, small flow, we'll right click. We already created in our previous project. So if you did not saw the previous tutorial, just watch it, how we can configure it. So right click here, click over the object property, click here in iOS. So we'll find PV out. So here is the PV out value. And if you come here, right side and archive column, you can see the PV out is not archived. So here we have two options. Archiving means short-term archive and the long-term archive. What is the difference between these two? The short-term archive store data in the OS or the operator station servers, while the long-term archive store data in the separate process historian or the center archive server. So for this tutorial video, I will select the archiving, click OK, and then click here over the compile button. Okay, select only changes, click OK. Click here close. Now click here over the download button. So these changes we will download now in the controller. So we will select changes only and click OK. Program is downloaded. So click here to close. Okay, now our program is downloaded. Now we'll compile our OS. Now click next, again next, next, and just click over the compile. So OS compiled now. Click OK. Now right click, open the object. So if I will open the tag logging, so here you can find now the second tag also. Previously just one tag was there. Now here in the historization, we get the pvout.value tag also. And if you can see here, it's a cyclic continue mode of historization. Every 1 second it will historize the tag. So I will just click here to activate the runtime. Our runtime is open now. Click over the mixer and now click here over the trend. Now we'll change the value and we will see the value is historizing or not. So I will change value. For example, I will put it value of 4, 3.2, and again I will change the value. Suppose I will go at 9. So I change the value. Okay. So let's see. This value is historizing in the historian server or not. So I will toggle online between online mode and archive mode. So click it here and then I will change the time duration. Suppose last 10 minutes. Click OK. So here you can see our value is successfully historized. If I will change the mode now online mode and if I will go back, so here you can see the my value is inside the historian server. Even suppose I will put it some more changes, click OK and I will close it. And if I will reopen it and click over the trend, and if you move between online and archive mode and you change the duration, suppose I will change for 1 hour, last 1 hour. Too short. Suppose last 10 minutes. So here you can see whatever the changes is there is successfully historized in the historian server. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can historize the analog tag or analog tag logging, how we can do it. So thanks for watching this video.